Never walk into a cafe in the US without knowing what to say. Or you might end up with a drink you didn't even order.
Trust me, it's happened to my friend before. She said, "A coffee, please," and walked out with a caramel frappuccino the size of my head.
So today, we're showing you exactly how real Americans order coffee, chat with baristas, and hang out in cafes in natural, slow English.
Hey everyone, I'm Fiona.
And I'm Vincent.
In this episode, you'll listen to a real English conversation between two friends. That's us, as we visit a cafe together.
You'll hear how we order, how we make small talk, and how we sound natural without trying too hard.
After that, we'll break down some useful phrases and pronunciation tips so you can sound more confident when you visit a cafe.
Ready? Let's go get that coffee.
Hey, this place looks cozy. I love the smell of fresh coffee in the morning.
Yeah, same. It's that smell that makes you feel alive before 9 a.m.
What are you getting today?
Maybe a latte. I need something smooth, not too strong.
You always get a latte. Try something new.
Like what?
How about a cappuccino? Or maybe that iced caramel thing you always complain about but secretly love?
Okay, fine. Maybe I'll get that. What about you?
I'll go with the matcha latte. I need a green boost today.
You and your matcha obsession.
Hi there. What can I get started for you?
Hi, can I have a medium matcha latte, please?
Sure. Hot or iced?
Hot, please.
And I'll have an iced caramel latte, please.
Got it. Anything else?
Nope, that's all.
Great. Your total is $9.25.
Here you go.
Thank you. Your drinks will be ready in a few minutes.
So, what's your plan for today after this?
I've got a few meetings, but I'm mostly trying to survive Monday.
Same here. Mondays hit different when you don't have enough coffee.
Facts. By the way, did you notice how fast that barista spoke?
Yeah, that's so common in the US. People speak fast, but they're super friendly.
True. The trick is to listen for the key words, not every single word.
Exactly. When you're learning English, don't panic if you miss something. Just focus on what's important, like the drink name, size, or for here or to go.
Right, those are the main things you need to catch.
Matcha latte for Fiona. Iced caramel latte for Vincent.
That's us.
Finally, caffeine.
Cheers!
Cheers. So good. I actually like this more than I thought.
See, I told you. You just needed to admit you have a sweet tooth.
Yeah, you were right this time.
This place is nice, though. The background music, the smell, the people working quietly, it feels peaceful.
Yeah, cafes like this are where people write books, dream big, and procrastinate on all their work.
That's literally me.
All right, let's talk about some key phrases we used in that conversation.
First one, can I have? That's the most natural and polite way to order in English. Instead of saying, I want a coffee, which sounds too direct, say, can I have a coffee, please? Or, could I get a coffee, please? Both are super common.
And sound friendly. Next is for here or to go. You'll hear this question in almost every cafe in the US. For here means you'll drink it inside the cafe. To go means you want to take it with you.
Another one is, anything else? That's what baristas ask to check if you're done ordering. You can simply say, no, that's all, or that'll be it, thanks.
Then there's here you go. It's a friendly phrase used when handing someone something, like money or your credit card.
And got it. That's a supernatural way for Americans to confirm what you said. Instead of saying, I understand, they often say, got it, or all right.
Another one that came up, cheers. That's what people say before drinking together. Kind of like saying bottoms up. But in British English, people also use cheers to mean thank you.
And of course, that's all. It's a simple way to end your order. Don't overthink it.
Okay, now let's go over some pronunciation tips.
Let's start with, can I have? In real speech, native speakers usually connect the words. It sounds like, can I have a coffee? Notice how have and a blend together.
Yeah, it's smoother and faster. And for what do you want, it often sounds like, what do you want? The t and do blend into a dia sound.
Exactly. You don't have to speak that fast, but it helps to recognize how it sounds.
Another example is gonna. People say, I'm gonna get a coffee, instead of, I'm going to get a coffee. It's not lazy, it's just natural spoken English.
Also listen for wanna, like, do you wanna sit here? Instead of, do you want to sit here? These connected forms make your English sound smoother and more native-like.
Okay, let's do a quick listening exercise. I'll say a short line, and you try to repeat it after me.
Ready?
Can I have a medium latte, please?
Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
For here or to go?
To go, please.
Nice! Try repeating these a few times until you can say them smoothly without thinking about it.
Here's something interesting. Americans love customizing their coffee orders. You might hear someone say, can I get an oat milk latte with 2 pumps of vanilla and no foam? It sounds complicated, but it's super normal here.
Yeah, and don't worry if you can't understand the whole thing at first. Just focus on the main parts, the drink name, size, and any keywords like iced, hot, with milk, or no sugar.
Also, when you pay, most cafes in the US have a tip jar or a screen asking for a tip. You can leave a small amount, like 10% if you want, but it's optional.
And remember, when you pick up your drink, listen for your name. If they can't pronounce it, just smile and take the drink anyway.
Yeah, I've been called Vinny, Vincent, even Benson. I just roll with it.
Happens to everyone. So today we learned how to order at a cafe, make small talk, and sound natural in English.
You heard a real-life conversation, learned key phrases, and got some pronunciation tips to help you sound smoother.
Remember, you don't need fancy words. Just speak clearly and confidently.
And if you ever visit a cafe in the US, don't stress. People are friendly and used to accents.
Watch the next episode to keep improving your English fluency. And don't forget to subscribe to the American English Podcast.
See you in the next episode. Bye.